Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Google Adsense to your WordPress website step by step. Whether you're a blogger or running a website for business, monetizing with Google Adsense is an excellent way to earn passive income. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's a quick explanation of Google Adsense. It's an advertising program by Google that lets you earn money by displaying ads on your website. When visitors click or view these ads, you earn revenue. To use AdSense, you'll need number 1, a Google AdSense account, and number 2, a WordPress website with some content already published. Now let's create a Google AdSense account. If you don't already have an AdSense account, here's how to create one. Go to adsense.google.com and then click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. Now just fill in these details. In the website section, I'm just going to click on my site. Just going to find my site. Hold on. I'm going to visit my site right here. And then just copy and paste this URL. Just gonna fill these out. Here you have to choose your payment country, where your payment is going to come from. And then just click on I have read and accept the agreement and click on Start using AdSense. Just make sure that your website URL is a top level domain. Let's just erase these and then click on Start using AdSense. Once submitted, Google will review your website. This can take anywhere from a few days to a couple weeks. You'll get an email once your account is approved. After your account is approved, you'll get access to your AdSense dashboard. Here's how to get your ad code. Log into your AdSense account, go to Ads, and then click on Get Started. And then click on By Ad Unit. And then choose Display Ads. Now you just have to name your ad unit. And then click on Ad Size. I recommend responsive, and then click on Create. Then copy the code provided. This code is what you'll add to your WordPress website to display ads. Now let's add AdSense code to your WordPress website. In your WordPress dashboard, let's go first to our WordPress dashboard. Now in your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, and then go to Widgets. I don't have my widgets here. Let's just find the widgets. Let's choose use site editor. And then here, you will be able to see the design of your site. Now let's edit this. Let's edit this one. And then at the footer area, right here, just click on edit. And then choose the design that you want your footer to have, and then click on the plus icon right here and then choose a code. You just have to drag it right here and then just paste your Adsense code into the widget and click save. If you're a beginner, just go to Plugins, Add New in WordPress, and search for SiteKit by Google and install it. Once activated, follow the setup process to connect your Adsense account to WordPress. Why SiteKit for beginners? Because it automatically places ads for you and provides insights into your earnings. Now, if you want more control where ads appear, go back to your Adsense dashboard, navigate to ads, and then click on auto ads if you have it. Since I don't have it, I'm just going to tell you how to do it. You just have to enable auto ads and let Google decide the best placements or manually choose ad positions on your site. A tip for you is to avoid placing too many ads in one place to keep your website user-friendly. And then once you're done and you're satisfied, just check your ads monitor performance. It may take a few hours for ads to appear on your site, but please check or visit your website to ensure ads are visible and use the SiteKit plugin or log into Adsense to track your performance and earnings. You can track it right here in the report tab once you already have it. Again, it may take days, so I still don't have it and I still don't have metrics right here with me. But once it is published on your site, just wait for it to be approved. And that's it. You've successfully added Google AdSense to your WordPress website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!